Hello everyone and welcome to chapter 4 lesson 4 define and verify commands. In the previous lesson we learned how to use ampersand and double ampersand to define a substitution variable in Oracle SQL statement. Here we are going to learn how to use define command. Define command is used to create and assign value to a variable in Oracle SQL, and define command used to remove the value from Oracle SQL. Let's have a look at this example to understand how to use define command. Define emp number equal 100 and then select employee ID, last name, job ID, salary, department ID from table employees, where employee underscore ID equal ampersand employee number. In the previous lesson, we learned how to use ampersand to define a substitution variable. So here, this is ampersand, and this is the name of the variable. If you don't specify the define command here, and if you run this select statement, Oracle will prompt you or ask you to enter a value for the variable emp number. But here, because we are using define emp number equal 100, Oracle will take the value 100 here in the variable. So our select statement will be select employee ID, last name, job ID, salary, department ID from table employees, where employee underscore ID equal 100. So instead of ask the end user to enter a value for the variable emp number, Oracle take the value from the define command. If you remove the define command here, Oracle will prompt or ask the end user to enter a value for the variable. You can use undefine command here, undefine emp number, to remove the variable emp number. So after running the define and the select statement, Oracle returns the output. This is the employee ID, as we can see, 100. The last name is King. The job ID AD underscore press, salary 24,000, and the department ID is 90. So as we can see, define command can be used to assign a value to the variable, and this value can be used through our SQL statement. Verify command, we can use either set verify on or set verify off. Set verify on is used to force SQL developer or SQL Plus to display the text of a command before and after it replaces substitution variables with values. Let's have a look at this example to understand what is the meaning of set verify on. Here we define a variable, define emp number equal 100, set verify on, select employee ID, last name, job ID, salary, department ID from table employees, where employee underscore ID equal ampersand employee number. So here we are using ampersand, and this is the name of the variable emp number. Oracle will look, if we are using the define command, Oracle will take the value from the define command. If we don't use the define command, or if we don't put a value in the define command, Oracle will ask or prompt the end user to enter a value for the emp number substitution variable. If you run these statements using set verify on, as we can see, Oracle will display the select statement before replacing the substitution variable with a value. As we can see here, this is the old, this is the select statement before replacing the substitution variable with values, as we can see here, where employee underscore ID equal ampersand employee number, and then display the select statement after replacing the substitution variable with value by using the new here. So here, new, select employee ID, last name, job ID, salary, department ID from table employees, where department ID equal 100. So set verify on means display the text of a command before replacing the substitution variables with values, as here in the old, and then display the select statement after replacing the substitution variable with values, and then return the output of the select statement to the end user. If you replace set verify on with set verify off, as in this example, Oracle will just return the output to the end user without displaying the select statement before and after replacing the substitution variables with values. So in this lesson, we learn how to use define and verify commands in Oracle SQL. I hope this video was informative for you, and thank you for watching.